Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you all so much for being here. This morning, we're going to take a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Let's jump right into this morning's exciting stock market news. It looks like the market is set for a cautious recovery today compared to yesterday's losses. U.S. stock futures are in the green. We have the Dow futures up 0.92%, S&P 500 futures up 0.84%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.77% this morning. Fears over the potential collapse of Chinese property developer Evergrande still are looming over the market, but investors will have to wait and see what's going to happen till Wednesday when Chinese markets come back online. DoorDash is expanding its market offerings and has now added support for wine, beer, and spirits delivery across 20 states here in the U.S. and the District of Columbia. The company will also enable alcohol delivery in Canada and Australia. Customers in select markets can access the alcohol tab on the DoorDash app and safely order a wide selection of drinks from restaurants, grocery stores, and local retailers. The company has already established an alcohol catalog, which comprises 30,000 SKUs that customers can access across thousands of retailers and restaurants. The DoorDash stock is rated a moderate buy, with most price targets already being surpassed from recent growth, so their average price target is now a downside of about 6%. Digital streaming company ROKU has announced the release of their latest Roku Stick models. They will be available from mid-October. The Roku Streaming Stick 4K boots up to 30% faster and ensures smooth streaming in 4K, Dolby Vision, and HDR10+ picture quality. It includes a redesigned long-range Wi-Fi receiver that delivers faster Wi-Fi speeds. The Roku Streaming Stick 4K Plus is rechargeable and has a voice-activated lost remote finder. Analysts rate the Roku stock a strong buy with an average upside of over 54%. Twitter has said it will pay over $800 million in fines to settle a 2016 lawsuit where it was alleged that Twitter was misleading investors about their user engagement numbers. The class action lawsuit was filed in September of 2016 and was supposed to go on trial soon. In this case, Twitter's former CEO and others were accused of concealing facts about the site's slowing user growth while they sold their shares for profits. The settlement is aimed at resolving all the claims against Twitter and other defendants without admission of any wrongdoing on their part. The company and the defendants continue to deny all of the allegations in the case. The Twitter stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 17%. ConocoPhillips, the energy major focused on hydrocarbon exploration, has agreed to purchase Shell's Permian business for $9.5 billion. The acquisition will give ConocoPhillips access to Shell's producing properties located in Texas, which spans an area of about 225,000 net acres, along with more than 600 miles of operated crude, gas, and water pipelines and infrastructure. The anticipated production from these assets in 2022 is roughly 200 million barrels oil equivalent per day. Further, with free cash flow of $1.9 billion from these assets, the company expects to generate $2.6 billion of cash from operations. The ConocoPhillips stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 37%. And the Brunswick Corporation has announced it will be acquiring Sematronics, a global supplier of electrical wiring harnesses for advanced products in the marine, mobile, and defense industries. Brunswick engages in the design, manufacture, and marketing of recreation products, including marine engines, boats, fitness equipment, and active recreation products. Sematronics will be added to Brunswick's Advanced Systems Group. They have over 40 years of experience in all aspects of harnessing solutions. Also, they're in line with ASG's strategy to provide continuous and smooth end-to-end integration for its global channel partners. The Brunswick stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of over 17%. Now let's take a look at what notable earnings reports are on the calendar for today. Yesterday was very quiet for earnings reports. This morning, before the opening bell, we're expecting to hear from AutoZone, Cracker Barrel stores, and Neogen. And in the after hours today, we're expecting to hear from FedEx and Adobe. But in the meantime, let's move over and see which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by NextGen Energy. Trading under the ticker NXE, they're currently up 6.75% after dropping 11.5% yesterday. Followed by the Denbury stock under DEN, they're up 6.12%. And the Lion Electric Company under LEV, they're up 6.05%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Arcade Quantum. Under the ticker ARQQ, they're down 5.7% after growth of 36% yesterday. Followed by the One Life Healthcare stock under ONEM, they're down over 3%, and Karuna Therapeutics under KRTX down 2.8%. So that'll be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, bringing you everything you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you back here next time.